Hello folks, as you can see I'm having a little go at this front mount intercooler today. My wet and dry sandpaper came, so I've got all different grades, so I'm giving this a little rub down. As you can see, it already looks a lot better than it did, so that's what we're aiming for. We're aiming to get that as good as we can and then get it polished up. So I'm going to pause the video for now and I'll turn it back on in a little while once I've done a bit more, and I'll show you how I'm getting on. Okay folks, so that's as far as I'm going today. As you can see the difference, yeah, and all that is that's just with a bit of wet and dry. Okay, now this, just now I was using quite a rough grade of wet and dry just to see if I can get some of this off it. But what we'll do is over the next few days we'll polish it up and we'll get it looking really good. We'll use lighter grades of wet and dry. I mean, I've got some here that range 1500, 3000, you know, 2000 there, you know, 3000 wet and dry. So we'll use some of these in the next few days. We'll get it shined right up, and it should look pretty good. Okay. Well, folks, I'm sure you'll agree that's been half an hour. And that's been basically a mixture of the degreaser, bit of wet and dry sandpaper, an old toothbrush, a little scrubbing brush, and I'm sure you'll agree that looks, you know, $1,000,000 compared to what it was. It's nowhere near finished, but it's $1,000,000 compared to what it was. The degreaser is very impressive stuff, very impressive. I can put a link to it if you want. Now I don't know what I'm going to do. Am I going to paint it or am I going to leave it silver? What I was thinking was I may paint this area here, leave the sides as they are, you know, paint around here, black, not sure, but we'll wait and see. And we'll take it from there. Okay. So this has got to get polished up yet, obviously. I'm going to fix a few of the fins on it. But, I mean, as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. Apart from this bit here, we'll get round to this at a later date. But as you can see, it's a lot cleaner than it was. You know, a lot of that, what you're seeing there is just dirt off the bits off the sandpaper and that where it's not been cleaned. But it's very impressive for considering how it started. So a great product from Carchem, that degreaser, fantastic. The wet and dry sandpaper, you need it, it's brilliant, you know, it does a good job. So stick with me over the next few days and we'll see if we can get this to an end, see if we can get this finished. And then I've got the intercooler piping to do on the car, which, as you can see, is not in the best of condition. Okay, so as you can see, so we'll be working on that as well over the next few days. So stick with me and give me a like if you like what you see, and we'll take it from there. Hello again folks, this is my HKS intercooler today. Now as you can see, there is a fair bit of shine now on all this metal. This metal's needing it's needing to get a bit of polish on it to finish it off. Maybe another bit of wet and dry, but don't know if you can see there, but there's a really nice shine. These little bits in the top I'm not really too bothered about. Where my hand's hitting it here, you can see some marking where my fingers are hitting it, but it's just because it's been shined up. Only one side's been done. This isn't finished yet. As you can see, there's still a bit of work to do on these. I'm not really too fast about these because I'm thinking about painting part of the intercooler. But I mean, as you can see, all the fins and that are good. I'm actually going to take it, degrease it at the garage with the power washer. So it's as I get a chance, I'm going to do that. So we'll leave it at that just now. Give me a like, speak soon.